Hey YouTube, I'm hoping one of you smarties can help me with this. I have a 2011 Infinity FX35 and the dome lights don't work no matter what. The side light on the door works fine when I open it up, and the little welcome, whatever that thing's called, works. But the dome light, nothing. And the lights in the back, nothing. The lights in the very, very back in the trunk totally work. The power mirrors don't work. The power mirrors work, but they don't retract in. And the freaking clock is too fast. Like, I don't know, by the time I get in here in the morning, it's like 15 minutes fast. I checked every single fuse. All the fuses in here are perfect. All the fuses under the hood in those 4 locations, even the hard location, they're all fine. It's not a fuse problem. Can one of you guys, do you think you know what's going on? I need lights. Thank you guys so much.